If you're looking to produce an animated explainer video but unsure who to hire, this video is for you. Today, we'll talk about the benefits and drawbacks of hiring a freelancer, animation studio, or a video marketing agency. And I'll help you pick the right vendor or partner for you by the end of this video. Hey, I'm Mina from Kashu, and let's get started. Choosing who to hire for your animated explainer video is not an easy job, but before you start looking, there are a couple of things you should consider. Things like your budget, the goal of your video, and the time you have available for this project. These questions would be your starting point when deciding on a person or studio who can help with your animation. You have probably seen this diagram on the internet at least once, and it is pretty accurate. You need to pick just two. So before you start looking for someone to help you with your project, think about your priorities. Do you want it to be fast and cheap, or do you want your video to be high quality, even if it takes a bit longer to produce? Keep in mind that it is tough to find someone who can make it good, fast, and cheap. So you have to pick just two of these. What's your priority? Is it quality or speed? First, let's talk about freelance animators. You can find them on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. There are many of people you can choose from, and their rates are usually lower. However, there is a significant risk that they don't deliver on time or deliver good work. Also, good freelancers are hard to find, so you might spend hours, days, or even weeks trying to find the best freelancer for the job. You might need to provide them with a voiceover or music too, so keep in mind that this process would take valuable time. Sometimes freelancers can also be unreliable and might ghost on you in the middle of the project. However, freelancers are great for projects that are easy to create and if you're on a budget. If you're starting out and speed is important for you, I would advise you to choose a good freelancer. You should also reserve some time to prepare a brief and provide the needed materials. In short, if you're on a budget and have time to find and manage a freelancer, go for it. Before you hire them, look at their reviews and past work to help you decide on a person for your animation. However, if you're looking to create a high-quality video product and you're on a deadline, I wouldn't advise you to hire a freelancer for your animated explainer video. Animation studios focus on the product, and they are definitely the less risky option. If you want to create a high-quality video and have a reasonable budget for it, an animation studio would be the perfect option for you. They typically have a dedicated project manager and take care of everything in the production. You don't need to search for and hire voiceover artists, browse music libraries, and even create a detailed brief sometimes. They'll take care of all this for you. Studios have a better experience and a better and more straightforward process, but most of them focus on the product and not your goals. This means that if you're looking to achieve a specific outcome with your video, they won't be able to help you out. You have to figure this out on your own. The bottom line is this. Animation studios are great if you have an internal marketing team to take care of the video after it's been produced, you have a reasonable budget, and you don't have time to deal with freelancers. Now let's talk about video marketing agencies. These agencies not only create an engaging video, but would help you achieve your goals with it too. I think video marketing agencies are the best option out there if you want to ensure you get a positive ROI with your video. Video marketing agencies have an internal creative team and an internal marketing team. This means that they'll listen and advise you from the get-go, and they'll focus on bringing you results, unlike animation studios, which focus only on the video. The process that video marketing agencies follow is typically different from that of studios and freelancers. They start by creating a strategy for the video and how to market it later on, and monitor the performance of the video after it was produced. They'll integrate with your marketing team and work together to ensure the success of the campaigns. It is important to mention that video marketing experts do not replace marketing teams. It is the exact opposite. They integrate with your internal team and work together towards your goals. They are video experts, and marketing a video is different from any other marketing type. You can think of them as your partner. However, they are more expensive than animation studios. But if you have a good budget and are serious about using video to grow your business, then video marketing agencies are the best option for you. If you're still unsure, let me summarize it for you. You want something fast and cheap with good quality? Hire a freelancer. You want a high quality animation, have a bigger budget, and you are sure you can market it in the best way to get results? Hire an animation studio. You want a high quality animation and want to ensure you get results with it? hire a video marketing agency. If you're just starting out with video marketing, I would recommend you download our free ebook that will tell you everything you need to know to grow your brand with video. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, like, share, and comment below. Thank you for your time and see you next week.